Hi everyone, so today I have a video I'm super excited for. I have a not polished mystery box. I'm so excited. So let's just go over, I believe they're sold out of all of them now, as far as I know. This literally just got here. But, let me turn my ringer off too. Whatever. Sorry. So I got the small mystery box, which was $49 and $10 shipping, so I paid $59. And I believe it's supposed to have a $100 value. Yeah, so there's not much to say about this. I have no idea what comes in it. Let me see if there is still stuff on their website. The mystery box filled with a $150 value. It just said you'll find surprise no goodies. Step out of your shopping comfort usuals, follow some new bestsellers, mystery products. All sales are final, no returns. So it doesn't say like how much is supposed to come in the box. It just says $150 value. And I paid $49 plus the $10 shipping. But yes, they are all out of stock. So you could have gotten small, medium, large, or extra large. Small was $49, medium was $99, large was $2.99, and extra large was $4.99. So yeah, I'm sure once you got a certain size box, you got free shipping, but I'm not quite sure. I just went with the small because it's my first one. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So I've gone ahead and opened the box because it had my address and all that stuff on the top and on the other side of the box. So it says, I don't know, see what you guys can see. It says, not polished babes, do it better. Okay, and it comes with tons of pink, holy crap, there's a lot in here, oh my god. Okay, so the first thing I picked up is the Not Polished Sparkle It. It doesn't. Is this another one? Okay, so it just says Not Polished Sparkle It, and then it doesn't have like a name on it anywhere that I see, or like a number, nothing. Okay, well, anyways, the first one, ooh, it's like a pinky red iridescent glitter. Okay, and then the second one that's in here, I just got my nails done today, I'm not gonna ruin these. Come on. It's, ooh, like a bluish, purplish, iridescent color. It's super cute. Yeah, I wish these had the names on it. I don't know if they normally come with names. I could probably find that way looking on the website, but. And then we have some stickers. So these are YSL. I didn't even notice that. It's like, just saying, I'm not quite sure. I'm not. But, yeah, so there's some YSL stickers. And some Louis Vuitton nail stickers. Okay. Let's see. Let me just get all these up. Like, look at like literally how much is in here. Like, that's a lot of freaking stuff. Like, powders are expensive. Okay. See this little thing? Oh, it looks like little rainbow foil. Okay. That. Okay. And the next is the Not Polished Dip It Dip Powder. This has a name on it. The name is number 49 Aqua Blue. Oh, it has different packaging. Maybe their dip powder has different packaging and not the red top. I really like the packaging though. Yeah, and the sparkle ones, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like kind of like a chunky glitter type of top. Okay, what's up? Ooh, so this is like, yeah, like a lightish, I'd say like a light to medium blue with some shimmer in it. Like I said, this is dip powder. Okay, and then the next one is a 2-in-1 powder dipping acrylic, and this is in the color M73 Rose. So this can be used as dip powder or acrylic powder. And this I'd say is like a light pink, peachy, sparkly color. Okay, and literally another powder. These are like huge things. This is another dip powder. Yeah, but this one has the red, so I wonder why this one, maybe it was just, I don't know. But this one is Poison Ivy, number 41. Okay, like literally, always in my videos, it's just me struggling to open stuff. Okay, and this is like a light, like seafoam green, with some glitters. So far, all these are glittery. I hope there's some that aren't glittery. Oh my god, I'm spilling it. Spilled it, at least it's in the box. Okay. Oh, did I leave the lid up? I don't know, whatever. The next one is another 2-in-1 dipping acrylic powder, and it is in the shade M51 Empire Style. Okay. And this one is sparkly again. It's like a mauvey pink, but then it has like red sparkles in it. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see it. I know with my last camera you couldn't see stuff very well, but I'm hoping that this one I can see better. Okay, and then another 2-in-1 dipping acrylic powder in G25 Dirty Mind. And it looks like this one's just white. White or clear, I guess, because they look the same. That's just how that one looks. I guess I'd have to swatch it to know, and I don't. I gotta get a brush for, an acrylic brush for home, because I have them all at work right now. Okay, and then next, I'm assuming it's like a top of base coat or something. Oh, this is a bonder. It looks like it's spilled a little too, unless the bottle's supposed to look like that. I'm not quite sure. So it says a XXX bond acid-free primer for acrylic and UV gels, advanced formula. Ooh, yeah, it just smells like primer. Sometimes they smell, I got one in a mystery box and it was like fruity. Okay, oh, I got the napkin now. Okay. And the next thing is the matching lacquer and gel polish duo pack, LED UV cure. And this is in M05. Let's move this out of the way. Hope it didn't just put my address on that. I think I might have to clear that out. Alright. So like I said, this is a gel polish and regular nail polish duo. It's an M05. I don't see like a name other than that. I like that it comes, what is this? Looks like a swatch thing, but it looks like there's no color in it. Because you can just see. Anyways, I'm not sure. Yeah, but it just says not polish M05. But let's go ahead and swatch these. I don't have my big lamp in here, but I know. Oh my god, I still keep forgetting to order swatch sticks. So let's do the gel one first. So we'll do not polish gel. What did I say? M05. And then we'll just do at least one coat. See? Looks like a just a deep. Ooh, it's kind of like purpley, like a deep purpley red. Probably do 2 coats of this. Let's have a little lamp. Okay, and I'll do the regular polish one. Not polish M05. theoretically look the same. I've never tried their polishes or anything before. So far I'm liking the consistency. They're a little sheer, but that is fine. I'll just add a couple coats. Let that one dry. That was not a minute. Okay, I have acrylic powder all over me. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple things like this one, or not this one. Oh, the little two glitters like didn't come with names or like numbers or anything, so I kind of don't like that. This had some spill on it, but it's not really a big deal. And then like this, the swatch, there's no swatch in it, it's just a clear thing. Alright, let's do 2 coats. Okay, now it's on 60 seconds. Okay, and let's do a second coat on this one. Okay, so yeah, it's like a dark, kind of mauve-y, like purpley red. I hope that's focusing. It looks like it is. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Let me know if I get, because I'm subscribing to some new boxes. I don't know if you guys want me to swatch like the acrylic powders and stuff. I know they do look slightly different with the monomer. So if you guys would like that, I can totally do that. I just gotta bring my brush again. That's why I'm getting another brush because I ordered a new Kiara Sky brush for work anyways. Okay, it looks like everything's in frame. Just wait for this to be done. So much waiting in this video. Okay. And this is what the gel one looks like. Like I said, they should be theoretically the same. Okay, so overall in this box, honestly, I'd say it's probably about $150 value. So you get the Polish Duo. Let me see. This one's a 2-in-1, 2-in-1. You get 3 2-in-1 dip acrylic powders, 2 dipping powders, 2 of the glitters, again, have no name, but you know, I'm sure I could find it on the website if I really wanted to. 1 rainbow foil and 2 nail stickers. I'd say that's pretty good value. I paid what, like $50 to $60, something like that. I said at the beginning of the video. I think it's a pretty good deal. I wanted to try and not polish. I've heard so many great things, so I'm excited for it. I think it was a great way to sample some of their products and, like I said, not have to choose and get outside of my comfort zone. So I'm really happy about that. Oh, I totally forgot to mention the primer, but yeah, the primer. But yeah, so I'm really happy with it. I think I would definitely order it again next year. I think they do it once a year. We'll see. If they do it sooner than that, I'll order it again. But I also ordered the Young Nails one. I just ordered it last night, and I also just got in the mail the House of Supplies subscription box. So I will have so many more videos coming of unboxing things. So just stay tuned for it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.